Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R Ready Set Gold palette. It looks like this. And I'm just going to be creating a bronzy eye look. So let's get started. I already applied some eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to start out by applying this matte cream shade. And I'm just laying this all over my lids. I'm going into this other matte shade right here and laying that more towards my crease and bringing it down to my outer corners. Now I'm using this shade up in the top corner and I'm just going to lay this right over top. Now I'm using a Morphe blending brush and I'm going into this deeper brown in this bottom corner here and just going to kind of put my brush at an angle and really blend this shadow out and drag it out a little bit as well. I'm using a clean blending brush and just softening and dragging that color out. And then once those colors are nice and blended, I am going to go into darker matte brown right here and layer that over top and bring it a little bit more onto my lids and into my crease. I'm just basically trying to deepen this whole eye look up. And now I'm laying down a little bit of this shade right here and I'm just going to deepen up this outer corner and really smoke it out. And then I'm going back in with a blending brush and I'm going into this shade right here along with this shade. I'm just mixing the two and I'm just applying this to really make some of that brown come back through. And then I'm using another blending brush and really just blending all of these shades together. Using some concealer, just going to lay down a cut crease just towards the inner half of my eye. And then using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going into this bronzy shimmery color right here. And I'm just packing this on my brush and applying this where we applied the concealer. And over top, I'm also layering a little bit of this shade up in this corner here, which is just a little bit of a lighter bronze shade. And I'm layering that right over top. I'm going into this brown shade and blending out this edge. Adding a little bit more of this very dark, almost black shade and laying that down and blending it down at an angle. Now I'm using some more concealer and I'm just going to give more of an edge to this eyeshadow. Just going to set under my eyes to set that concealer, and also because I didn't set them before I did the eyeshadow today because I knew I was going to use some concealer. And now I'm just dusting this off. So now I'm using some matte black liquid liner. What I'm using today is from NYX and I'm just going to create my winged liner. I'm actually going to use the line that we created here kind of as an outline for my liner. Now that that is done, I'm going to cut my crease with this black liquid liner and just draw a line from the inner corner to about halfway. Now I'm just using a brush and blending out those edges once it's dry. Then I'm using this NYX Gold Liquid Glitter Liner and I'm just going to line right underneath this black line in my crease and fade it out towards the edge. I'm also lining a little bit just above the black winged liner as well, again fading it towards the edge. Now I'm going back into the palette and using this light white shimmery color and adding this to my inner corners and also to my brow bone. Now I'm using some Ardell Lashes and I'm just going to apply those. Going back into the palette and using this brown shade and laying that on my lower lash line. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of the darker brown. I applied some mascara to my lower lashes and now I'm just going to apply some blush and bronzer and highlighter and I'll be right back. For lips, I'm using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Tea and Cookies. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Patrick Starrr MAC lipstick in the shade Werrrk and applying this. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. I really like the way that this eye look turned out, and if you don't want all of the extra liners in your crease, you could definitely skip that part and just keep it to kind of a bronzy smoky eye look. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz, so be sure to go follow me on there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!